Hi there and welcome back on a very hot late summer day. Today it's 36 degrees or 97 degrees Fahrenheit, and there are still so many things to do today because I would like to show you the installation of the second window. I would like to show you two different ways of sealing those windows, and of course I would like to complete the insulation of the facade. So let's get started. 2,500 comments. You guys still amaze me every week. When I asked you last week about your opinion on my music, I never expected a candy storm like this. The vast majority of you encouraged me to continue using the music how I like to. Thanks to all of you for your opinion. No belly gate this time. Let there be even more light. Next to your comments on my music, many of you had questions concerning these windows. Most frequently asked was, are there no screens? And yes, these windows do not come with screens, but you can easily install some in front of the frame. Especially next to the lake, I couldn't live without them. Another question was, why do they tilt and turn inwards? I'm not an expert on windows, but I guess it's so that they won't get wet once it rains. You can even leave them tilt open in smaller showers. On top of this, they are easier to clean from the inside. And they close nearly 100% airtight this way. Talking of airtightness, there are two ways of sealing these windows. Very common is just spray foam, and quite new to the German market is to seal the gaps with this diffusion open tape that sticks between frame and wall. I will try both ways of sealing. The tape has to be stuck very accurately all around the frame, just on the edge of it. This takes some time. The process of installing the frame is just like the previous one. Everything has to be absolutely plumb, level and square. Otherwise the window wouldn't stay open or swing backwards by itself once the handle is turned. Some of you have been asking whether these long screws are necessary. I personally think they are a bit overdone, but this is the standard size they sell here for those windows. Finally weather tight again. Sticking the sealing tape to the wall is quite easy. Talking about tape, before I spray foam the other window, I have to tape all the gaps and surfaces to avoid a mess. At least that was the idea. It must have been the heat. I don't know if it was the camera that crapped out or if it was me forgetting to press the record button, but here is already the spray foam disaster in all its glory. Heat, gravity and spray foam are definitely not my best friends anymore. Sealing tape still is, I think. Anyway, watching this mess, I decided to call it a day. Consolation is to enjoy the brightness and light on the inside. Compared to the room before, it's a quantum leap. But I guess I have to tidy up till next week. As I said, I decided to call it a day and enjoy summer. This is the lake in sunset. These clouds are breathtaking. The colorful things in the background are houseboats you can rent to spend your holidays on. water quality is perfect and you can go swimming here as well. I hope you enjoyed the little trip into sunset. See you next time. And as always, thanks a lot to my patrons. If you want to be part of the community, just visit my Patreon page. The link is in the description. And to all the others, just feel free to subscribe.